And as soon as he touches, he finds my base. I stretch out across the elbow line, and I connect to make a triangle here, and then I start moving my belly away from that point and transferring the load onto my arm. Now I've got a hinge point just past his finger where I can turn and rotate the force off. Once I've got that force off, I place it on his belly and now find his base. He transfers that force as a triangle back to here. Hinge point on the fingers, turns, and he just slowly sweeps me off. Yep, you're rotating around the central axis. I want you to rotate on the hip. So if you rotate on the hip, you won't catch my fingers. Yep, there we go, and then it sweeps off. So as an example, if I rotate center, I go into his finger. If I rotate on the side, I move away from his finger.
Oh.
Yep, and then you just sweep forward and backward, one side to the other. And every now and then you can sort of lay a trap and connect your partner on the shoulder as well and double up on that. And this will give you these long sweeping escapes that you need every now and then when you're doing push hands where someone's really got you trapped in. So let's say he's got me there, he's got my shoulder. I have to bring this energy over to there and do a snake creeps under pattern to sweep the energy off. And then you just lower your stance if you want to train this for snake creeps under. And you have a higher stance if you're just doing it for a low opening the stance exercise where you're doing brush knee and twist step. And then you find your use cases. I found this one's very good for a front kick. If you just lift your foot up and place front kick on my belly. And this angle of having to turn, I've got to use my hand, to be able to hinge and move out of the line of the incoming force. You can't rotate on central axis for a front kick. You have to be able to hinge off the side and then sweep the kick out of the way. So you find all these visual applications while you're doing this. Oh, I can use for this and this and this. And always keep your mind open to use cases. And then adjust your body mechanics to the use case as you do it so that it gives it function outside of the push hand set. Okay, partner up, have a play.